Once upon a time, in a land filled with diverse cultures and bustling cities, there existed a kingdom called Harmonyville. It was a place known for its openness, acceptance, and compassion towards those seeking refuge from troubled lands. The kingdom had a remarkable initiative known as the Inspirational Refugee Integration Initiative, or IRii for short. IRii was a visionary program aimed at supporting the integration of refugees into their new communities, fostering understanding, acceptance, and opportunities for a fresh start. It was a beacon of hope that shone brightly, inspiring both the refugees and the citizens of Harmonyville. At the heart of this initiative was a remarkable individual named Samira, a compassionate and determined woman who had experienced the challenges of being a refugee firsthand. Having found a new home in Harmonyville, Samira was deeply committed to helping others in similar situations. Samira knew that the key to successful integration lay in fostering connections and building bridges of understanding. She tirelessly worked to organize events that brought together refugees and local residents. These gatherings were a celebration of culture, music, dance, and most importantly, stories. Stories had a magical way of uniting people from different backgrounds. They transcended language barriers, allowing hearts to connect and minds to expand. Samira believed that by sharing their tales, refugees could convey the richness of their heritage, while locals could open their minds to new perspectives. The first event organized by Samira was a storytelling festival held in the heart of Harmonyville. Refugees from all corners of the kingdom were invited to share their stories with eager listeners. The atmosphere was filled with anticipation as people gathered around, eager to hear tales of resilience, hope, and the power of unity. One by one, the refugees took the stage, mesmerizing the audience with their stories. There was Ahmed, who had fled his war-torn homeland, only to find solace in the embrace of a loving community. His story spoke of courage and determination, inspiring everyone to persevere in the face of adversity. Then there was Layla, a young girl who had lost her family during the journey to Harmonyville. Her poignant story touched the hearts of many, reminding them of the importance of compassion and extending a helping hand to those in need. As the festival continued, the stories of love, hope, and resilience weaved a tapestry of unity and understanding. People laughed, cried, and embraced each other, forging connections that transcended borders and differences. Inspired by the success of the storytelling festival, Samira expanded the IRii initiative further. She established language classes, vocational training programs, and mentorship opportunities for refugees, enabling them to develop skills and find meaningful employment in their new communities. The impact of the initiative was profound. Refugees who had once felt lost and marginalized now had a chance to rebuild their lives with dignity and purpose. The citizens of Harmonyville learned valuable lessons about empathy, compassion, and the power of embracing diversity. Word of the Inspirational Refugee Integration Initiative spread far and wide. Leaders from neighboring kingdoms and distant lands came to witness the transformative power of compassion in action. They were inspired to replicate the initiative in their own communities, spreading the message of unity and acceptance throughout the realm. And so, the story of IRii and Samira's unwavering dedication continued to inspire generations. Refugees found solace, communities flourished, and the kingdom of Harmonyville became a shining example of what could be achieved when people came together, regardless of their differences.